Welcome fellow learners. Today we are diving into fascinating world of conversational data processing using Langchain. Imagine having a conversation with your own data and effortlessly converting your text queries into structured SQL commands. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, thanks to Langchain and LLMs, now it's reality. So in the following series of videos, I will be guiding you step by step how you can chat and talk with your data. We will be using a famous Titanic dataset available on Kaggle. So let's first see some glimpses of that data, how the data looks like. So this data consists of different columns, which basically defines about the passenger, like their passenger ID, does those passengers survived or not, their name, their gender, and some other columns like their age, how many siblings they were having on boarded, the fare of the tickets that they were using. So this is basically the data. And now I will show you the final output, how it will look like, and in the following series of videos, I will guide you step by step to create this final output. So we will be creating a Gradio UI. So this first box is basically a chatbot, which basically shows you input and output text. The second box is audio output. The third and fourth boxes are for your input. You can enter either text or you can basically record your audio rate. The last two buttons are basically self-explainable. Either you can submit or clear the data in these chatbot and audio output. So we have seen the data. There are few columns in it. We can ask questions according to it. So let's see. We can ask some questions like, how does this fare varies with this passenger classes? I will first write the question, just like you are chatting to a bot. So like, how does the prices varies with the passenger classes? I'll just enter it and it will give you two output. One is your audio output, another is text output. And
The prices vary significantly with the passenger classes.
I'm just pausing this audio and we will see in the output what it is basically given. So this is giving the average fare prices for each of the passenger classes. Like class 1 is having $84.15, class 2 is decreased to $20.66, class 3 is $13.68. We can verify these results through the same data that I was showing you earlier. So let's say I will add a filter to it. Just I will create a filter, and so let's say we are seeing for only class 1. So we will see the class 1 only, and then see the fare prices and see the average. So we can see the average is $84.15 over here, and if we see in the output, it is also $84.15 over here. So it's basically giving pretty good results. Now we can see we can give it input in another way, like we can record our audio and it will basically convert from speech to text and produce the result in the same manner. We can ask different questions also, like we can see how does the survival rate varies. This survival rate varies with the gender of the passenger. We can ask that question. I will ask it by recording my audio. So I'll first record my audio over here. How does the survival rate varies with respect to the gender of passengers? So it is recorded. We can play it and see did it record well or not. How does the survival rate varies with respect to the gender of passengers? We can now submit it. We will just click on submit button. Now it will first do the speech to text, convert it into text, and then follow the same process that has been used in the previous chat.
The survival rate varies significantly with respect to the gender.
We can see it is giving us result. It just took a little bit more time because it needs to do speech to text first. We can also see what it is giving the result, like it is saying it is giving 74.20 survival rate percentage for the female, which is quite higher than the male passenger survival rate. We can see in the our data also. We can like remove the filter from here and add that filter to basically your gender. uh, we can basically create this filter and then select any one from it. Let's say we are selecting female passengers, and then we can see for this survival, uh, we can see it is around 0.74 is the average, with clearly indicated in the output, that is around 74.20 percentage. So yeah, it looks good. It is giving good results to us. Now in the following series of videos, I will guide you step by step how you can create same this output in your own computer or laptop over here. So yeah, thanks for making to the end of this video. Goodbye until the next time.